I'm telling you, Mr. Kumar Swamy has called the Chief Minister of Karnataka as a traitor. I am calling for a debate, either in any media whichever he desires, or in the assembly, to prove this word. How can he call a chief minister a traitor, he being a former chief minister? What he has spoken in the assembly, what he has spoken in the assembly when he resigned as a chief minister, what Mr. Yediyurappa had spoken, warning me all, is all on record. I am ready to accept the debate. Because he has already said on record who removed his government. Now he is telling Siddaramaiah name, he has used my name, fine. Let it come out again. Let it call the chief minister and me whatever he wants. Why I am telling you here that things should be on record. It should go to the history. Such great personalities, being a former chief minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah himself, whether he liked or not, he agreed the party decision. We appointed him as the CLP leader. He himself signed a letter and he submitted a letter to the governor to form a government under the leadership of Mr. H.D. Kumar Swamy. Though we had 80 members, we proposed him as the unconditionally, we supported him as chief minister. 17 national leaders across the country came here. He could not maintain his relationship with the legislators. Those who removed him, now he is trying to, there is best good friends and advisors now. One from Chatpatna, one from Belgaum, one from Bangalore, one from you. I don't want to tell all those names. Now they are very close advisors. I wish them all the best. I don't know when they will come out again, when they will part again, I don't know. I don't want to comment on that. I can only wish them all the best. Who removed them, whom he set on record, he is trying to, every day is embracing. I want to discuss this on ethical angle, calling Mr. Chief Minister and myself as Mirsadi. That I want it to be debated in the House. That is why my request is.